Hi, my name is Kawila. I'm not your basic average girl, and I ain't here to save the world. You can't stop me cause I'm Kawila J. There is nothing I can't do, but if there's danger, I'm moving out the way. Doesn't matter what or when there's trouble, if you just call my name. Kawila J. And that's a stitch. Now, I'm just here to talk about self-confidence, worth, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm here to talk about. Self-confidence and not giving a slight damn, because you have to give a damn. That's the reality of it. You have to give a damn. But it's when to give a damn and how to give a damn and why should I give a damn, you know? Yeah, let's not be careless, people. We're not careless. Confidence doesn't mean that you have to be reckless and because I'm confident, I'm gonna whoop-de-woo and I'm gonna whoop-de-doo. It's not about all of that. Mm-mm. It's all about everything I just said, but less crazier. Anywho, right? So, for me, I believe that confidence have a lot to do with my breasts. My breasts is a part of me, and they're perky, and because they're perky, I like that. That's what I like. And so let me go put on my sweater because that's not why I'm here. I know. Maybe I could wear it like this. Now, I'm gonna have to put it on. That's so lame, and that's just like everybody else. I don't want to be like everybody else. I want to be me. So I'm going to wear it the way I want to wear it. I'm gonna do it like this. Confidence is about being able to wear something like this on the media and don't give a damn. Now that is confidence. Do I need to say more? No, I don't. Confidence is me posting this video and don't even give a if it wants to go viral. You know what I mean? That's confidence. Confidence is me walking into a store and be like, hey mom, hey ma'am, is it mom? If she's your mom, that's fine, but hey ma'am, can you sell me half pound of rice and 2 pounds of sugar? That's confidence. Not giving a damn if you're poor, if you're rich, if you're... You can't touch me because I'm confident. That's confident. Confident is knowing I'm that girl, I'm that guy, I'm that little girl, I'm that little boy. That's confident. Nobody can take that away from you. Nobody. They try to beat it out of you and they can't get it out of you. Reason why? Because you're confident. You're confident. Confident is me being myself, always being myself. So you need to be yourself too, to show that you're confident. Being bold. I ain't scared of y'all. I ain't scared of you. That's confident. So thank you for watching this video. And even though it's 5 minutes, I have the confidence to upload it and the confidence to not give a